Deleting a Firebase project is a straightforward process but requires caution, as it permanently removes all associated data, services, and configurations. Here's how to do it. Access Firebase console. Go to the Firebase console and sign in with your Google account. Select the project. From the list of projects, click on the one you want to delete. Navigate to Project Settings. In the left-hand menu, click on the gear icon and select Project Settings. Locate Delete Project option. Scroll to the bottom of the General tab. You will see the Delete this project button. Review warnings. Firebase will display a warning explaining the implications of deleting the project, including the loss of all data in Firestore, real-time database, storage, hosting, and other services. Confirm deletion. Enter the project ID as requested to confirm your action. Click Delete Project. Final cleanup. Ensure that any associated resources in Google Cloud are also managed or deleted to avoid unintended charges.